Asian. Today I want to share about replace timing bell Volvo. You can see Volvo. This is the replace timing bell. You see this the come locking tool here. This is the mark that we want to mark for Volvo. So if you have a car Volvo V40 D for cross country engine diesel bensin, you can mark come sensors like this. So this is the way that you mark that is locked with come. This is the cranks mark here. Marks. This is the lock. You can see this is one reverse locking tool. So today this is opportunity that I want to share about the replace timing bell, and then you can see the fuel bell locking. This is the way. So if you want to replace timing bell, you can replace the that I make a video to you. So then is the crank lock tool, so you can lock this way. So I think that do you understand about this? And take the crank tool revolution. To do this way is the cam locks. This is the tensioner. This is the idlers. This is the button pump, water pump. This is the crank locking option. This is marker. This is marker. This is marker. So if you want to replace timing bell, to understand that I share today, I hope you understand about this. So the next is torque setting. Ancillary drive bell tension. You take 20 Newton meter. Crankshaft position sensor. You can take H Newton meter, and timing bell guide you can take 10 Newton meter, and tensioner pulley you can take 17 Newton meter, and timing bell idler pulley 45 Newton meter, and engine support breakage you take 50 Newton meter, and timing bell cover 5 Newton meter, and crank pulley renewable. You must step one is the 13 Newton meter, and step two is 180 Newton meter. So I think that is all. It completes. If you have a manual like this, and you must make sure about the marker. To understand about the marker, is one for come, this one for fuel pump, this is one for crank, this way for tensioner, but centrum do make tensioner or some idler point. I think it's complete today. I hope you understand about this. If you repair vehicle, if to repair a car, to have opportunity. Thank you for watching, support and subscribe. Thank you so much.